Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing well. I've decided that these 4 chilies are the nicest looking at the plants at the moment. So I thought I'm going to extract the seeds out of them. So I'm going to chop them all out, get the seeds out, get them all dried up. And then they'll be good for next season. And with at least one of these chilies, I'm going to chop them up with a bit of ginger, orange juice and a squirt of honey. And make a nice little chili shot for tonight and another one for the morning. So let's get these chili seeds out. Okay, let's get these seeds out of this chili. What I'm going to do is just cut along lengthwise there, split it in half, and then extract the seeds. Let's do this. There we go. Lots of lovely seeds for next season. Gotta dry them all out, but let's get them all out of the chili first. So as you can see, we've extracted all of the seeds out of the chili. I'm going to make a nice little chili juice shot with that now, with some orange juice, ginger, a bit of honey. But look at all these seeds we managed to get out of just this one chili. So they're going to be sowed in the beginning of next year, and we'll see if they grow to look as pretty as this one was. Thank you all for joining us today. If you need any seeds, I think I'm going to have quite a surplus. Might be able to give some away if there's enough interest. Can't ship all over the world and that, but we can send a few out to people. Hope you're doing well, guys, and let's see what happens with these seeds. Take care, and I'll see you all soon.